Trixie, my little doggy. She is a Paptise. I have Papillon and a Maltese. Say hi, Tricksters. Say hi. Say hi, Mamash. What's wrong? Are you tired? You played with ROKO and Titers all day? She's the tiny one of the house. Her weight is 5 pounds. Alright, Tricksters, are you laying on my SpongeBob pillow? Hey, she's tired. Just playing with ROKO and Titers all day. Okay, let's go now. Whoop. See the other dogs. The house. My house is all dark. Oh, now you're coming, Mamas. Yeah. Uh-oh, here comes ROKO. Come here, ROKO. Say hi. Come here, ROKO. What? This is the Rottweiler of the house. Right, ROKO? You're the Rottweiler? Come on. Here, you want a treat? You'll come when I say treat. Come on. Want a treat? ROKO, you want a treat? Where'd you go? No. Pansy. Oh no, and here comes Titers. He's the biggest dog of the house. Okay, let me turn on some light for y'all. Hold on. I need to turn light on. Oh my god, I'm in my house all by myself. I'm scared. Hey, why is it so dark in here? Come on. My whole house is like super dark. Oh, no. Try to turn on the light. Come on. Oh, there they are. There's Titers. He is he is a Great Dane who weighs, how much do you weigh? Like 160? I think they want to go outside. Look how huge he is compared to ROKO. ROKO! I think they want to go outside. And there's little Tricksters. There's all of them. There's a small one and the daddy of them all. And ROKO is the tiniest little doggy. Titers. Let's see how big his head is. Come here, Titers. You're my Marmaduke. Right, Titers? You're my Marmaduke. Yeah, you're my Marmaduke, Titers. I think they want to go outside. Titers, you want to go outside? Trixie, look how tiny you are compared to Titers. See, Titers, you're my Marmaduke. Okay, ROKO. I love you too, Rockitos. Who wants to go outside first? ROKO? No! I can't go outside. No, I can't. Okay, yeah, these are my little doggies. That's my dog. ROKO is one outside, is my parents' dog, and Titers is my brother's dog. Yep, that's him. He's ginormous. He looks like a horse. Titers, are you a horse? Titanic? Titers. They're the cutest face ever. Say hi, Titers. Say hi. Say hi, Titers. Tricksters. We got like names for them all. Tine is Titers, Trixie is Tricksters, and ROKO is Rockitos. Okay. Trixie, say bye. Say bye.